Got a Mactan Island here to the ferry. So, hey guys, I'm gonna go to Olango Island here. You see those guys over here? The guys over there, they tell me that you can't go to Olango from here. So they wanted to sell me probably another boat or something like this. So I'm gonna go in here and buy this ticket here. Gotta wait a little while. I think wait for an hour or something like this. So hey guys, gotta wait till 9:30. I thought it was once an hour, but apparently it's like only like 3 ferries that go over there. So we're gonna go and take a look here. So this is a port here. There's actually some hotels around here that cater to tourists here. That's a dive boat right there. That's not a ferry. Here we have a contingent of Chinese travelers. It looks, I don't think these are scuba divers. I think probably maybe these are people headed to another resort here. Hey guys, check this out. Jamalia Shipping Company. I think that's it. I think that's the ferry there. So I was told to go this way at present time here. Check out this boat, guys. So I guess I need to board before the cars do. That's why they're sending me over here. The island's not that far. It's like right there. So it's like a few miles away here. This should be interesting. So here we go, guys. Check this out. It's kind of an older ferry here. And it looks, probably what they're going to do here is they're going to be loading some cargo up here. So I see some other ferries over there. Those go to Bohol, and it's really not that far away. I was looking on the map there, and it's maybe, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 miles away, whereas this is 3 miles across here. So those ferries, they're going to be like tourist class ferries that are more expensive, you know. This one is a total of 50 cents US, or about 33 pesos. They're putting on the trucks here. A few. There we are, we're moving, guys, check it out. Looks like we have a little gas truck on board here. Hopefully no issues with that. Actually, 2 different gas trucks. So there's a city called Santa Rosa, straight ahead here, and we've also got a like a marine bird sanctuary over here on the island. So almost there, guys. Cool looking ocean here, and we're gonna go take a look around Santa Rosa here. Check these out, guys. This is a different company, Santa Rosa ferry, and then I just took the barge, or the shipping company ferry here. That's only 50 cents. So I'm not sure as to when this goes back. I think either 10:30 or 2 p.m. So maybe I'll take the other one to go back to Mactan. Not too bad a place to be stuck here for a few hours. Although I didn't actually bring my swimsuit for swimming here. I was just going to take a walk around here and check out the island. So we'll see. So I just found out, guys, Santa Rosa Express, that's a little bit faster. It's every 30 minutes, right? So I don't have to wait for the other shipping one, Olango shipping. There, check this out, guys. The pier, this is like a half mile. It's no joke. It's pretty far. So you can take one of those trikes, or I'm just going to walk it. It'd be nice to, if I had a bicycle to rent, maybe I'll, if I come back here, maybe I'll look to rent a bicycle, and that way I can just get around this place a little bit faster than, I'm sure they probably don't have Maxim here, you know, but faster than I would otherwise here. Check this out, guys. We got some marshlands over here. If I ever decide to come back here, at least I'll know the procedure for getting to this island, right? Walk. There's no toll or anything like that. If you're a pedestrian there. And got the ferries, fairly straightforward, you know. But there's actually, there's one resort over here. I saw it on the map there. Other than that, I don't even think there's any hotels over here. I think it's pretty empty. You may have to go to Bohol to get something, right? If you want to, Bohol, I was looking at a map. Bohol is not that far, right? So if you want to go to another place besides Cebu, I think on the map it may be between 10 and 20 miles away to get there. So it's not at all too bad of a commute there. That if you want to come back, come back, catch your flight like I am, like I have to stay near the Cebu City so I can get on the plane, of course, right, to go to Manila. So got a connection to Manila. I'm going to stay in Manila for some time, and then I have another connection to South Korea. And I'll be doing a video on, what I think of the Philippines, my opinions of it, as compared to other Southeast Asian countries here. Let's take a look at this place here. And then perhaps we can see a church or something like this here. Check out the village here, guys. So the nature reserve is over here on the left. I think it's a little too far for me to go to today. So next time I come to the Philippines, maybe I'll try this one and just see what it's like over there. And there's a little city here. I think probably I'm going to try to rent a bike and ride to the nature preserve next time. And for today, I'll just take a little walk around the city here. So you got some outdoor marketplaces, kind of like got some nice fish for sale here. Hello. Kind of like over in Cambodia, except check out those fish, man. Interesting looking. Let's go check out the church over here, guys. There's a gas station here, jetty, so it's not completely like a wild island here. So when I was over in Phi is very small. I mean, it's smaller than this, but it's actually fairly well developed. So you got these little paths, and there's no vehicles on the island there, just walking around. So it's technically developed, but it's a smaller place there with tourist infrastructure, you know, and hotels and hostels and, you know, which I liked it okay. I wonder what this place is. So I guess this is, oh, that's like a little bell tower there. Let's see, let's go take a look at this church here. Pretty cool looking. So up here on the left, apparently we have another church here. So I'm gonna check this one. The other one, there's a parish church over here. And no, I just walk. Yeah, just videotaping. And, yep. Yeah, that's right, yeah. And just gonna take the ferry and that's it. Oh, here's a little beach. So let's just take a quick look at this. Kind of dirty here. So this is a little church. Check this out. This is a very small church on Google Maps here. San Roque or something like this. But this is what was on Google Maps here, this little building. It's strange that the other church that is not very prominent on Google Maps turns out to be much larger there. So let's go ahead and jump back over to the ferry. That was basically the tour there. So we're going to take this yellow one up here. Express passenger ferry, so it should be a little faster. Check this out, guys. St. Rosa Ferry Express. There's two of them. And I asked the lady which one I was supposed to be getting on. She said the yellow one. They're both yellow Mactan. Like I said, this is the one I'm supposed to be getting on here for Mactan. So this one's way more crowded, you can see here. The price is about the same, 40 pesos, which is about 75 cents. Here's a paid resort here over on Mactan. This is a nice little beach here. So this ferry is a bit on the claustrophobic side here, guys, and it sits kind of low in the water, right? So we were really kind of bucking around there in the water. The other ship, which is much larger, so it handled the waves a little bit better there. So I'm gonna go back to my room. It's getting about midday right now, kind of hot outside. And we're gonna be indoors for a little while. And then I'm gonna wrap up. Not tomorrow, but the next day I've got the flight to Manila, right? So tomorrow I'm gonna just chill out. Anything I need to purchase or toss away. Got to rearrange my luggage here. And then I'll be ready to go to the airport. So this is actually a different port, right? We just came back somewhere else. It's like half-mile away from the other port. It's not far. So I didn't actually realize that, but it's not that big of a deal because my hotel's not too far off. And I'll be working on this video here, and then we're gonna upload it. Home sweet home, guys. Check this out. I think this neighborhood might be a little worse than the other one, but what this reminds me of is India. Just it's a repeat of what I saw over there. Kind of dusty, you know, the buildings need some paint. You got these little stores that where you have like a family who owns the store, right? It's not a store that is like a chain like in the US or something like this, right? So let's see if we can find batteries. That's what I'm looking for today.